Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by creating a realistic 6-month study calendar that fits around a full-time job. Commit to 10-15 hours per week in consistent blocks, including early mornings and weekends. Break the calendar into monthly goals, content review months, practice months, and a final 2-week intensive review. Schedule one full-length OMC practice test every 2 weeks beginning in month 3 to track progress. Protect rest days and employer obligations, and treat study time as non-negotiable appointments to build momentum and reduce burnout. Design a weekly routine that divides time into focused content review, active practice, and targeted review. Aim for 3 days of content review, 2 days of discrete practice questions, including passage sets, and 1 day of cumulative review and spaced repetition. Use 50-75-minute study blocks with 10-15-minute breaks to maintain concentration, and cap daily study at 4-6 hours on weekends. Prioritize high-yield topics like biochemistry, physiology, general chemistry, and the critical analysis and reasoning skills section while rotating weaker areas weekly. Make practice tests the backbone of your study approach. Take full-length, timed exams and immediately perform a thorough analysis. For each test, build an error log, note timing patterns, and write 3 specific action items to address per week section. Simulate test day twice before test week with full 7-5-hour runs including scheduled breaks, snacks, and test day meals to practice stamina. In the final month, prioritize OMC official materials, cut new content after the 3rd full test, and focus on targeted practice and recovery strategies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.